Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham in Florence, leaving this beautiful city for the day, taking you on a day trip that's great any time of year.
San Gimignano is known for its medieval towers, cobblestone streets, and views of the Tuscan countryside. You can rent a car and drive through the vineyards and rolling hills from Florence in a little over an hour. Or you could take the train. It will not bring you the entire way, though, to San Gimignano. From Florence, you'll need a ticket to Poggibonsi. It'll be about $10. It's a 90-minute train ride. From the station, you can hire a taxi driver if you find one outside, or take the bus up the hill 25 minutes to San Gimignano. Walking through the medieval walls into town will take you back 1,000 years to when it started to take shape as a stop on the trade route between Florence and Rome. Today, San Gimignano draws tourists to its streets lined with shops and restaurants. You'll find all kinds of foods Tuscany is known for, from meats to cheeses to wine. They'll have cheese blocks packaged to take home in your luggage without the smell. You'll also find several restaurants, gelato spots, and chocolate makers here too. Around a dozen of the original towers in town are still standing, and you can climb a few of them for a view of the countryside. From up above, you could spot vineyards and wineries to stop at later if you drove yourself. If you took the train, head back down in a taxi or bus to Poggibonsi, then buy a ticket back to Florence.
As for when to visit, I always suggest coming in the shoulder season months if you can, like May, September, October, because the weather will still be pretty good and the crowds will be much, much smaller. I'll see you next time.